Hey girlies, I'm Giselle and today I'll be walking you through exactly how I repair my curls after a really bad highlight situation. Bleach totally dried out my hair. I had breakage, frizz, and parts of my hair that just wouldn't even curl anymore. But now my curls are back and I just want to show you my routine and treatments that helped me get here. So before I shampoo, I usually start with a vinegar treatment that I swear helped me bring my curls back. I mix half water and half apple cider vinegar. I apply it all over my scalp, roots and ends, and then pop on a shower cap. I let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. It helps rebalance your scalp and remove buildup, but it also somehow helps your curls come back, especially in the areas where they were limp or straight from the bleach. Trust me, you need to try this. After rinsing out the vinegar, I normally shampoo with something gentle, maybe sulfate free, just to get my scalp clean without stripping it. Then I go in with the Olaplex number 3. I use this once a week, every week. I leave it on damp hair for at least 10 minutes, sometimes more. It helps to rebond the hair and seriously reduce breakage over time. After rinsing that out, I normally apply my leave-in conditioner like I showed you here before I apply my curl cream. For leave-in conditioner, I love using the new Olaplex number 5. It has truly made such a big difference in my hair because, like I said, I have high porosity and also my hair was damaged, so it just helps tremendously. After applying my leave-in conditioner, I normally go in with a curl cream. Today I'm using the one that I showed, Curls for Days. So I rake it through evenly, I coat every single section, then I scrunch to help my curl pattern pop. I always try keeping my routine simple. I usually only use a leave-in conditioner, curl cream, gel, and then after my hair is dry, I go in with an oil just to flake off the hair and keep it simple. And if you're having issues with your curl pattern, I would definitely suggest using or trying out a brush like I'm doing here. This is the new Conair curl defining brush. I bought it at Ulta. I believe it retails for $19.99, and it seriously has made such a difference in my routine time because all I have to do is just do one swipe with the brush and it literally just like curls my hair and defines it so beautifully. So I really like that, especially if you're struggling with your curl pattern. Now, I'll be real with you. Some parts of my hair just didn't want to curl again. If you're dealing with that too, sometimes the best thing you can do is cut off the worst of the damage and just focus on healing the rest. I know you don't want to hear it. I didn't want to hear it either, but it seriously helped. That doesn't mean just do a big chop if you're not ready. I just trimmed slowly over time and it made such a huge difference. So yeah, a bad highlight nearly wrecked my curls, but with weekly Olaplex number 3, vinegar resets, deep conditioning, and just being consistent, I was able to bring them back. If you've gone through color damage too, don't give up. Your curls can come back. You just gotta be patient and consistent. Like this video, drop any questions in the comments, and subscribe for more curly hair content. And follow me on TikTok. I'll leave my @ down below for more tips and routines. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any video suggestions, let me know.